Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.6 question number 5. Solve the following equations. Let us solve this one. The question is seven y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. We know that if a by b is equal to c by d, then you can write a into d is equal to b into c. We will apply this formula here. That means this part is multiplied by 3 and this y plus 2 is multiplied with minus 4. Therefore, we are writing that 3 into 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. Or it can be written as 321 y plus 3 4 is 12 is equal to minus 4y minus 4 2 is 8. Or it can be written as, on transposing, that is 21 y plus 4y plus 4y is equal to minus 8 minus 12. That is on transposing 4y minus 4y to left hand side and 12 to right hand side, we get this value. Therefore, 21 plus 24, that is 25, y is equal to minus 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 20. Now, dividing both sides by 25, dividing both sides by 25, dividing both sides by 25, we get, in both sides by 25, we get 25 by 25, that is y. That is y is equal to minus 20 by 25. You divide both numbers by 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 4 is 20. Therefore, the value of y is equal to minus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5, and that is the answer. Therefore, the value of y is equal to minus 4 by 5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.